Looking for a smarter way to navigate the real estate market? Meet iKenekt, the AI-powered platform designed to transform how buyers, sellers, agents, and lenders connect and make decisions. Getting started is simple. Head to iKenekt.com and enter your location or property interests. Instantly, you'll see real-time property value shifts, hyperlocal trends, and predictive analytics, giving you a clear picture of the market. Next, iKenekt's AI-driven agent matching pairs you with local professionals who truly understand your goals. Whether you're buying your first home or selling an investment property, you'll be connected with the right expert for your needs. Financing is easier too. iKenekt offers intelligent loan recommendations tailored to your financial profile. Compare mortgage rates and discover programs that fit your budget and timeline, all in one place. Every feature is built to help you make faster, smarter, and more confident decisions. From analyzing the market to connecting with experts and exploring financing, iKenekt streamlines every step of your real estate journey. Ready to see how it works? Visit iKenekt.com and experience a new way to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, powered by data, driven by you.